Splice Original.
Control arm kit on a NBS Silverado. I just got rid of all the brackets. There's the control or the shock bracket right here. We just had a couple of different brackets for the control arms, so now we're all bare. I have one last cut to make that I'm going to do with the plasma. Give me 1 second, let me get this set up. So right along here where I made these shitty cuts, I'm gonna go ahead and continue this cut down this way and then take a piece out of the top and back here. And basically what that'll do is, if you look from the side, there's a curve in the frame rail, and that's for the AC compressor, I guess from the factory. But we're gonna go ahead and cut this pie cut, hammer this in so we can flatten this frame rail out, and then put our bracket for the control arms and the coilovers onto the frame and then fully weld it. But if you look, you can see there's these little notches, and they're designed to fit behind this section right here. So, and you can also tell that it's flat. So that's one of the big things that needs to happen here. And then go ahead and plate this up and do a little more cleanup work here. But there's an update for you guys. Keep following along. I'm gonna time lapse this section and a couple more sections of the process, just because it takes a little while. So stay tuned.
Splice Original.
Alright guys, so I've got the frame pie cut It looks a little ugly. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean that up. Got it hammered flat. I got the, of course, the kit didn't fit correctly or give clarity on how much you need to cut out of the frame. So kind of just winged it, and I got it to fit nice and snugly. You know, it's supposed to line up with the cutouts right there as well as with there. So I'm gonna have to clamp it, and the fitment, you know, I had to grind down the area right there. So yeah, we're a lot closer than we were. Still got a long way to go though. Stay tuned. So now I got that all welded up, cleaned up. Now I've got the bracket on there, and it's lined up with the factory notches, they say. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack around it and get ready to burn that whole thing in. And then we'll be ready for some paint. All right, so now I got that all welded up, cleaned up. Now I've got the bracket on there, and it's lined up with the factory notches, they say. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack around it and get ready to burn that whole thing in. And then we'll be ready for some paint.